In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a file by name in Google Drive. If your drive is packed with documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, knowing how to quickly find a file by its name can save you a lot of time. We'll walk through the simple, reliable process from start to finish, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you get the best results without any extra hassle. First, log into Google Drive. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land in your Drive automatically. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the one that actually holds the file you need. Once you're in, you'll see your folders and files under My Drive or in the Quick Access area at the top. Next, look at the top toolbar for the search bar. It's the long field across the top of the page, usually labeled Search in Drive with a magnifying glass icon. This is your starting point for finding files quickly. On mobile, you'll also find the search field at the top, and the process is the same. Now type in the keywords of the file name you're looking for. You don't need the exact title to get useful results. Think of distinctive words from the name. Unique terms, dates you included in the title, or the project name. If you remember an exact phrase, you can put it in quotes to narrow things down. Google Drive search isn't case sensitive, so capitalization doesn't matter. If you're unsure of spelling, try a close approximation. Drive is pretty good at matching similar strings. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up underneath. These can be quick shortcuts to likely matches. Choose one of those if it looks right, or finish typing your keywords. Hit Enter. You can press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard, or click the magnifying glass icon at the right side of the search bar. Drive will pull up a results list based on what you typed. Finally, check the results. Scan the file names and look for the one that matches what you had in mind. You'll also see helpful context like the file type, owner, and the last modified date. If the file you want isn't there, try adjusting your keywords. Add a more unique term, include part of the date if you named it with one, or remove extra words that might be too generic. A quick tweak often brings the right file to the top. And that's it. Log in, find the search bar, type your keywords, press enter, and review the results. Simple, fast, and effective.